Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to a brand new episode of Cook with Nabila. In this video, I will share the recipe of one of the famous dish of Bangladesh, and that is none other than Bangladeshi Chinese style fried chicken. Yes, so today I will share with you the recipe of Bangladeshi Chinese style fried chicken. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, let's have a look on the ingredients that are required to make this dish. Here I have taken 6 pieces boiler chicken, one teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, and for coating I have taken half cup of gram flour and half cup of rice flour. And yes, make sure to check the description box, there I'll provide the ingredient list. Now let's start mixing all these spices with the chicken. I'm adding one by one each and every ingredient and give it a nice mix. Here I have used black pepper. If you want, you can use white pepper as well. Take your time and mix everything well. Now I will mix the gram flour and rice flour. This will be our coating of the chicken. Now here I have used rice flour. If you want, you can use all-purpose flour as well, but gram flour is a must in this recipe, so do not skip gram flour. In medium flame we need to fry it. Take time and fry very nicely. Make sure the flame is on medium. So viewers, this is the final outcome. I hope you like this video. Try this at home. It's very easy to make and this requires only few ingredients. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, stay tuned with my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe and stay at home. Cook, eat and stay humble. Allah Hafiz.